guys, Mr. G here. A couple things. As you're setting up, don't forget the order goes the aerial view, street view, and then your slide pixel edit or Photoshop edit, whatever you used. Remember, these are drag and drop to get them in the order, so you just click on them, drag them, and you can drop them. You're going to use the presentation button, so I just click the button right here, and it'll bring me to my first location. When I do that, I want to click the 3D button over here, and that will make it rotate, and I can share my facts. Now notice you should have entered your facts and changed out the information. So if you haven't done that, you can just hit the edit button and do that. I'm just using this arrow down here to get to my next image. So once I click that, it brings me to the next one, which is my street view. This is where I'll share why I chose this location. And then finally, I bring this to my edit. And then I just do the same thing for my last two landmarks. That's it. That's all you're doing for these. Last advice. Practice, practice, practice. I did my first one and it was like 2 minutes, 20 seconds. I practiced a little bit. I cut off almost 40 seconds in doing mine, got it down to like 140. So definitely practice as well. Hopefully you find this helpful. I can't wait to see yours. Good luck.